Welcome back to Factful Journey Podcast. Today we are focusing on something very important: training your mouth to speak English comfortably and naturally. Many people understand English very well. They can read and listen easily. But when it is time to speak, the words feel stuck. This does not mean you are bad at English. It simply means your speaking muscle needs training. Speaking is physical. Your tongue, lips, and mouth must get used to English sounds. Just like going to the gym builds body muscles, daily speaking builds your language muscle. Today, I will guide you step by step in a simple and practical way. You can follow this as a 30-minute daily routine. Let us begin. First, speak out loud every single day. No exceptions. Even 5 to 10 minutes is enough. Do not just think in English. Do not just read silently. Open your mouth and speak. When you skip days, your progress becomes slow. But when you practice daily, your mouth becomes comfortable with the sounds. Consistency is more important than long hours. Now start with very short and easy sentences. Do not try to speak long paragraphs in the beginning. Say simple sentences like, "I am drinking water. This is my phone. Today is Monday. I am sitting on a chair." Small sentences remove pressure. They allow your tongue to move freely without stress. Repeat each sentence 3 to 5 times slowly. Next, read aloud for 5 to 10 minutes every day. You can read children's books, news headlines, simple stories, or even song lyrics. The goal is not speed. The goal is clarity. Pronounce each word clearly. Move your lips properly. When you read aloud daily, your mouth becomes familiar with English rhythm and sound patterns. Over time, your speech becomes smoother. Now let us talk about shadowing. This is one of the most powerful techniques. Choose a short video or podcast clip, 1 to 3 minutes long. Play one sentence. First, repeat exactly what you heard. Copy the same speed, tone, and feeling. Imagine you are the speaker. Do this for 10 minutes daily. Shadowing improves pronunciation, rhythm, and confidence very quickly. It also helps your brain and mouth work together. Another powerful exercise is talking to yourself in the mirror. Stand in front of a mirror and describe what you see. Say, "I see my eyes. I see my nose. I am smiling." Watch how your lips and tongue move. When you see yourself speaking, you become more aware of your mouth movements. This helps you correct small mistakes naturally. At the beginning, exaggerate your mouth movements. Make them bigger than normal. For example, when saying the "th" sound in think, put your tongue slightly between your teeth. For the V sound, touch your bottom lip to your top teeth. For the W sound, round your lips. For the sound, slightly curl your tongue. When you exaggerate first, your muscles learn faster. Later, your speech will become natural and smooth. Now choose 10 to 15 useful sentences and repeat them many times. For example, "Can you repeat that, please?" "I don't understand. Can you speak slowly?" "Nice to meet you." "Let me think for a second." Repeat each sentence 10 to 20 times daily. Repetition makes them automatic. When you repeat enough, you will not need to think before speaking. The words will come out naturally. Every 3 or 4 days, record yourself. Speak for 1 or 2 minutes about your day, your plans, or your room. The next day, listen to your recording. Do not judge yourself. Just notice improvement. Maybe your pronunciation is clearer. Maybe you paused less. Progress may feel small, but it is real. Tongue twisters are also excellent for training clarity. Practice slowly at first. For example, say, "She sells seashells by the seashore." Repeat slowly and clearly. Then increase speed. Try, "Red lorry, yellow lorry." Or, "Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers." Spend 2 to 3 minutes daily on tongue twisters. They improve control of difficult sounds. At the end of every practice, say positive words out loud. Say, I spoke English today. My mouth is getting better. I am proud of myself. This may sound simple, but it is powerful. Your brain connects speaking English with positive emotions. This builds confidence. Now let me give you a simple daily routine. First, read aloud for 5 minutes. Focus on clear pronunciation. Next, do shadowing for 10 minutes. Copy a short video. Then spend 5 to 10 minutes talking to yourself in the mirror or describing your day. After that, practice tongue twisters for 2 minutes. Finally, say your positive affirmations. Once a week, record yourself and track your improvement. If you follow this routine for 2 to 4 weeks, you will feel a big difference. Words that once felt stuck will come out more easily. Your confidence will grow naturally. Remember, you already understand English. That is most of the work done. Now you are simply training your mouth. Before we finish, say one sentence out loud right now. Any simple sentence. That is your first step for today. Keep practicing. Stay consistent. One day at a time. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more simple English learning tips. Thank you for listening to Factful Journey Podcast. See you in the next episode.